Head part. Put you guys back over here. Yeah, that's good.
The problem with these heaters, they've got a plastic base. It wants to bend on you. Great.
Dad, can I put a little plastic strip on?
Uh-huh.
Are we going to keep this on pallet? There's so much pressure on the band and breaking the box. Can I go ahead and...
This looks straight up.
Is it a box? We're already getting some good progress and we're just starting.
No, we couldn't get the side of the house with her shade. No, never.
Oh, really?
With high temp union.
We can just use those there. Those are, I mean, they got those union.
It is that 3/8?
Dad, you want me to slip that,
Yeah, you could throw that over here out of the way. So you just step. You can grab it. You can go ahead and pull those back. Hey Wyatt.
Yeah.
Run out my tool bag, my truck, passenger rear. There's a thing of can of silicone. Grab it.
Oh.
Do you want the better Teflon? I'm gonna silicone it too, so I'm not going through that again. you've had sea chips you got this morning, or they take like the same thing. You ever had those fries? They're like French fries. Hot fries. He usually gets those today. He got some ranch ones. They're pretty good though.
Oh, is that silicone?
Yeah, some chips. Salt and
Mine.
they are strong. Yeah, here's good stuff. Yeah, it's put some coffee.
Those ranch fries are what stale and I'm only having but they buy it.
Did you tighten those with channel locks or no? I would.
John.
We're about done.
Not even been an hour.
We got French started.
Is that
Now
gonna work for our
that's
time?
it. So we're gonna turn this I don't think I'll look in that van about it. Well, it's just kind of, I'll let you know.
Was it? Was it lovely water? Is that the whole distance here? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how what else.
You got a tank out here? That's
I didn't take it. Dad, I gave you a really nice one at the shop when we were
probably either in my truck or
water.
it's either.
But die. Chip.
Here, I'm gonna top it up grass. we gotta do is go ahead and cut it right here, Ryan. Get her down.
What if I just,
I got it.
huh?
Sure you got it? Yeah, remember we were measuring?
Oh.
Like, if you're dog on something, I don't know.
Did you go back to my truck instead of my truck, maybe?
Ew, it's in the bucket.
In the booklet,
Totally looked.
I looked in the booklet. Yeah, can I ask her this, like, thing to drink, see if there's water in it?
Just wait, you know, we'll get it off hooked up.
Does this thing have pressure? Does the filter have pressure in it? Looks like this thing has. I'm using a lot. Does this guy want a heater put in, or is it what's our old one? The warranty is coming. Coming out. Who's that? Hey, Dad. What are we gonna do with the extra one over there?
How you want me to do this bypass on this meter?
So it's going to be somewhat similar to Vegas. You remember how we did that one?
Yep.
So basically, what would you do? So if you're going to come out of the ground
Yep.
on that port lane, right up there, there's a sheet. Measure at least 8 inches. And then you're going to put your valve at the T-21 on the side.
Did you send something to us? Alright, so right now, coming out of the filter, it comes out of the return and it goes into the ground. And I cut that, you know how it looped back up to that, to the chlorinator. So we're going to be running out of the filter towards the heat pump. And so how did you?
So that upward pipe
Yep.
going to the port.
Yes. Okay. Yep. I got you.
That would be where you cut up 8 inches.
Okay. So I got you. I see. Yep.
Yeah, so did you,
We've cut. I cut that. Yeah. Well, we kind of had to the way we did. I mean, I'll show you. Here's why. We're gonna take pictures. prevent that from returning back. I think that's how you want it. Send stick.
What's the lawnmower report here? The quality's getting terrible sound-wise, so I'm just gonna end the video here, and then part 3 will be on as a short.